just had to laugh.
I gotta stop dressing myself.
I saw the photograph.
He looked good when he was there.
He blew his money out in the car. Didn't notice that the lights had changed. A crowd of people stood scared.
They probably looked stupid when they pulled him down.
Seen his face before. Another little voice and I think it's from the house. I saw him today on the morning.
And Rainey has just passed away.
Just one more.
You know what, Joey? I'm selfish, man. I want to be the first brother to die. But I'm not going to take myself out, so. You gotta be romantic.